This is the dude that bought the Jimmy lift here, didn't he?
I think so. He worked at Cool Honda because I used to see it parked there.
Whoa!
Jesus fucking Christ.
Totally. Oh, with no plates. Nice.
I even had the right of way.
Yeah.
Pay attention. I was furious. These guys really don't make you come on to. Ooh, little doggy.
For real. I was trying to get like a seat in the very front, but valió verga. I guess better luck next time.
Oh, hell no. Valió verga right here, fool. There's so traffic.
Bro, they hate me, bro.
Nah.
Yep.
What? That guy was driving fast, and he didn't have his damn thing. Oh, I bet he's running because that's why he didn't have his lights on. There we go. That's a police chase.
Let's go. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness. He's supposed to, oh my goodness. Dog. Oh boy.
Jesus.
What did that person do?
Whoa, 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 whoa. There's a black truck right here, man. Speeding. Ah! Wow! Coming. He's trying to run for the cops. Yeah. Okay, that's the first one. Everything. They just pulled a gun on him. Dude, you got down there, right? Yeah. I definitely want to see that video now. You're getting arrested right there. What the hell? This guy's man. First time for everything, man. Oh, what is this guy here?
You would realize that something is off, even if you couldn't put a name to it.
Nixon breaks up with Myron. 2 weeks later, on October 6th, Myron resigns from the DA's office suddenly with a short 7-line letter.
Seriously, man. Wow. Wow. That shit on tape, man.
Yeah, there's a car here, buddy.
Jesus! Look at! What is he doing? Camry is doing it again. Look at him. What is...
Ho, 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 get him! Get him! Nuts.
There was a bad crash in Solid from Manuka Road. WB Easy Traffic is supported by Unbound, helping children and families in need. More at unbound.org. Coming up on Morning Edition, the author of an award-winning book on Hurricane Katrina helps to explain why the storm was so deadly for New Orleans and...